hope you all are having a wonderful day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we have another brand new subscription to our channel, and that is Brown Paper Packages. I am so excited to open this and share this with you. First, I want to say thank you so very much to Brown Paper Packages for sending this to me for review. I do greatly appreciate it. Also, thank you guys so much for being here and watching my videos. I greatly appreciate that as well. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We do all kinds of fun stuff here, all kinds of unboxings from beauty to lifestyle, fashion, pets, stacks, and everything in between. So definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy unboxings. We also do live streams and giveaways. We do currently have 2 active giveaways going on, so if you have not entered, make sure you do so. They will be linked down below. But let's get into what Brown Paper Packages is. So this is a bi-monthly subscription, so it's every other month, and it's actually a Canadian subscription, so it does come from Canada. It ships to the US and Canada. And it is a lifestyle box, and like I said, it is bi-monthly. So it says, their site says, a few of our favorite things assembled. They've assembled an array of unique products. Could include beauty, fashion, health, lifestyle, and snacks. Every other month, receive 6 to 8 unique items handpicked by our creative design staff and shipped directly to your door. And it is $59.99 Canadian, which breaks down to about $45 US. So like I said, it's a lifestyle bi-monthly subscription, and I can't wait to dive in here. So again, this is Brown Paper Packages, and it says a few of our favorite things. So that already is a good start for me because it's hinting at one of my favorite childhood movies. So let's get it open and see what we got for October 2019. I love being able to bring you guys new subscriptions. It's so much fun. Ooh. All right, so this is already, y'all, look at that. Is that not just beautiful? Their presentation, what? Okay. So let's see. Tied up with twine. Oh, and it's like tied in there. I could use this somewhere. The little, the leaves aren't loose. It's actually like a little, I could put this somewhere. It's like got glitter on it. It's all pretty, gorgeous. All right, so there is a little pamphlet. It says October 2019, back to the routine. Welcome to fall 2019, time to get back to the routine. This brown paper package includes items that the Hutch sisters have sourced to help welcome fall into your everyday schedule. Get ready to bling in the get ready to bling in the holidays with the December subscription box. Ships December 1st. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. That just sounds amazing. Oh, and I love this. Right there it says grateful, thankful, and blessed. All right, so October 2019, a few of our favorite things. This is really awesome. Okay, so not only do they have, this is really awesome. Not only do they have the items and the description, they break it down by price. And you guys, I believe this is only their second box. They had a box in August, and I believe that was their debut box. So the presentation, and then to have item descriptions and pricing, this is amazing. They are off to a wonderful start. On the back it says who we are, about us. The Hutch sisters staff works diligently to try and include the most unique, locally made, locally owned, fair trade, and ethically responsible products that we can find. That is amazing. We strive to make the packaging of our boxes not only safe for transportation, but to also try and limit our carbon footprint. We attempt to use as many recyclable items as possible and believe in the quality content of our items as opposed to flashy packaging. Please reuse or recycle as much as you can. We hope you enjoy your unboxing as much as we have enjoyed sourcing them for you. That is fantastic. Okay. Yeah. So then we have everything here. It's going to be under all the goodies are under. Y'all, this is like screaming fall. Like, oh my gosh. Look at this. Okay, I'm excited. All right, so there is when I was speaking with one of the owners, she did tell me that this is a new indie brand of makeup. It is called Stray Cat Cosmetics. And this is actually their holiday gift box for 2019. It includes a 15-color glitter palette, eyeshadow pressed powder trio, illuminating highlighter, long-wearing liquid lip, a shimmering lip gloss, a gel eyeliner, an eye glitter primer, makeup brush trio, which is an eyeshadow fan and eyeliner, gentle cleansing makeup wipes, and false lashes if ordered before November 15th, 2019. So they are taking pre-orders now. It ships November 5th and November 30th. And that's at thehutchsisters.com. So I will definitely link that below, but this is what would be in the holiday gift box. So definitely check that out. All right, so let's get into the box. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I'm just gonna go in order and try and see if I can find these items. So the first item, oh my gosh, is already like screaming to me, and it is a baked apple pie candle. Is it this? It's this guy right here. Y'all, this looks like a little pie. Are you serious? Oh my goodness. Y'all, look at that. How darn adorable. Oh, and I can even smell it through the plastic. Y'all, that smells so good. That is just so cute. Oh my gosh. A cute addition to your Thanksgiving table, looks and smells good enough to eat, handmade and filled with wax, apple fruit, topped with a deliciously scented apple pie gel wax for that realistic look, $8. That is just the most adorable candle I think I have ever seen. So stinking cute. Okay. Well, maybe we're not going to be able to go in order because there's stuff. All right, so let's see. And then we have, hold on. Okay, right here. Oh, this is nice. This is a biodegradable travel mug. Tough and non-toxic travel mug is made using waste rice husk, which would otherwise be sent to the landfill or incinerated. An eco-friendly alternative to plastic, keeps cold and hot drinks at the perfect temperature, best to wash by hand. I love how it has the grip already there, and it does move, so if you want it there, you can leave it. If not, you can take it off because it does move. You see? I like that it's there. And then it's like a silicone lid. Y'all, this is awesome. Y'all know I love my coffee, so, okay. Get that lid back on there. That lid definitely seals well. And that is, if I didn't say, $12. And then, let's see. It's something so cutely wrapped up in this bag. Let's see what this is. A couple things. Okay, let's see that right there. All right, so we've got Honshu Breeze Shower Sizzle right there. Handmade in small batches from a blend of the most exquisite essential oils and top grade fragrance oils. Sprinkle a small amount in the shower away from the water stream and enjoy the light floral and vanilla scent. Or sprinkle in the bath to elevate your senses. Breathe deeply, relax, and unwind. Rice paper packaging is recyclable, $10. Oh, that's awesome. That sounds good. Okay. And then with it is a room and linen spray. The matching scent to the shower sizzle. Lightly spray on linens or in the air for a calming and relaxing freshness. Packaging is recyclable, and this is $6.50. I love that these prices do not seem inflated at all, which I can appreciate. Oh, that smells so good. It is a very light and refreshing, just really good. You do kind of smell vanilla, but it's just, oh, that smells fantastic. Okay. And then, let's see. What are you? Oh, okay. I forgot. They include like a cocktail in each of their boxes, or at least the first one they did, and then now this one has it again. Spiced apple and rum cocktail. And this is 4 servings. How like appropriate for fall is that? Add water, rum, and soda water for a light and comforting fall cocktail, $5. This just sounds so good. Spiced apple and rum cocktail. Yes, yes. All day long. Okay, let's see. Then we have something here. This cute little burlap bag. Oh, this is cute. Y'all, look. What? Okay. Watch and mini bag. Get ready to fall back when the time changes with a stylish watch. Mini bag is great to keep your lipstick or small change ready at hand. Locally owned business donates to various charities, $19. This is cute. Okay, so here's the watch. And I do like that it like, you just put it on. You know what I mean? Like, and then you just take it off. And then the cute little bag. Like a little change purse, or like they said, your lipstick. That is cute. I like those. Okay. Y'all, this box is awesome. All right. And then there was something right here under it. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, okay. So it's a bag, crossbody bag. Keep your phone and essentials ready to go in this faux leather crossbody bag in a color that goes with everything. Locally owned business donates to various charities, $24. So you can open it, and there's like a pocket here and a pocket here. And then it does have the strap to make it the crossbody bag. Very simple, sleek, like it. And then that's the other side. I like this tassel right here with the wooden bead. Okay, and then let's see, there's still more. We have right here. Oh, so this is actually, it looks like 2 products from the Stray Cat Cosmetics. Okay, so Stray Cat Liquid Lip and Blush, the perfect colors to add to your fall makeup collection, cruelty-free and Canadian made. Long-wearing liquid lip in Snob looks great on all skin tones. So here is the packaging. Oh, that is a very pretty fall color. Very pretty. All right, and then a powder blush in Autumn. Apply lightly to fair skin tones, add a little more for deeper skin tones. And this is 12. If I didn't say, this is 19. So that's the packaging. And then there is the blush. That is a really pretty color. Really, really pretty. All right. So I did that. All right, so this last item must just be a little bonus, which also again is, says Happy Halloween. That is cute, the Hutch sisters. So it's a little like treat bag. And I can see some caramels, an O. Henry, little ghost candies, a sour powder. This is right up Christopher's alley. Oh, y'all, there's like a candy bracelet in here. Do y'all remember those? The candy bracelets, the candy necklaces. That is awesome. Okay. So we got a treat bag, which is so nice and just a sweet little touch. It wasn't even really like part of the box. We have the blush and the liquid lipstick. We have the shower sizzle and the room and linen spray, the drink mix, which sounds fantastic. The travel coffee mug, the little purse, coin purse and watch, this candle, y'all, and then we have the crossbody bag. This is just amazing. Like, this box was loaded. Let me know your thoughts down below. I think they did a fantastic job. Again, to only be their second box? What? This is amazing. Thank you again so much to Brown Paper Packages for sending this to me. I greatly appreciate it. And you guys touched on like so many of my favorites. Love it. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.